Are wage and hour laws the same in every state in the U.S.? In recent news, many people are asking, are wage and hour laws the same in every state in the United States? This question has gained attention as workers and employers alike seek clarity on their rights and responsibilities. With ongoing discussions about minimum wage increases and overtime regulations, understanding these laws is more important than ever. Wage and hour laws in the United States are mainly governed by the Federal Fair Labor Standards Act, which sets a basic standard for minimum wage and overtime pay. However, states and municipalities often create their own laws that can differ significantly from federal rules. This means that wage and hour regulations can vary widely depending on where you live or work. At the federal level, the Fair Labor Standards Act requires employers to pay eligible non-exempt employees at least 1.5 times their regular rate of pay for any hours worked beyond 40 in a work week. The federal minimum wage is currently set at $7.25 per hour. However, many states have opted to set their minimum wages higher than the federal standard. For example, as of July 2025, Oregon's minimum wage is $15.05 in most areas. Meanwhile, Washington, D.C. has a minimum wage of $17.95. This illustrates how state laws can create a patchwork of wage standards across the country. In addition to minimum wage differences, states also have varying rules regarding overtime pay. Some states may have different thresholds for when overtime pay kicks in, leading to further discrepancies. Cities within states can also implement their own minimum wage laws. For instance, cities in California have minimum wages that range from approximately $17.75 to nearly $20 per hour. Furthermore, states are increasingly passing their own regulations on issues like earned wage access. This allows employees to receive portions of their wages before payday. States like Louisiana and Connecticut have recently enacted laws governing this practice, showcasing the diversity in labor regulations at the state level. In summary, while federal laws provide a foundation for wage and hour regulations, state and local laws can vary significantly. This leads to differences in how these laws are applied across the United States. Understanding these variations is essential for both employees and employers navigating the labor market today.